Today we will learn and draw letters in an egg. First egg, the letter A. Second egg, letter B. Third egg, letter C. Fourth egg, letter D. Fifth egg, letter E. And the sixth egg, letter F. Preparing letters for coloring. Red A. Light blue B. Yellow C. Green D. Orange E. And blue F. Bye!